welcome to my fourth vlog. This is an extremely exciting vlog. I am so excited for this vlog. This is my pre-birthday vlog. So this is my first time being on YouTube during my birthday. So my birthday is on 2nd of October, which is Gandhi Jayanti.
Today is 20th of September. So today is 20th of September. So today is 20th of September.
पता नहीं मैं बहुत टाइम के बाद ब्लॉग सो टुडे इज 20th of September और so it's like what 11 days for my birthday and I'm super excited this time. I don't know my 16th birthday. I'm super excited, like sweet 16. Oh my god, जो चीजें मुझे 15th birthday के लिए करने थे just carry forwarded. I just carry forwarded it to 16th birthday. So let me just give you a little bit of brief as to what are my plans. और अभी I'll be honest, अभी भी बहुत सारे plans हैं, उसमें से 2 या 3 ही I can see executing. And on the screen I will just put the pictures. So this was what my birthday vision looked like last year, which is this year's vision as well. Pinteresty, pinky, bow, pink birthday. And I was obsessed with the color. I am obsessed with the color baby pink. मेरा फोन भी बेबी पिंक कलर में है. फील दैट कलर, लाइक आई हैव सीन दिस कि यू नो देयर आर पर्टिकुलर phases in your life which and you really want, like you really can associate it with a color. I mean, think about it, like just think about it, that which color you are in, which
color phase you are with. भाई मेरी इंग्लिश खराब हो गई कॉलेज में. Which phase
you are in and which color you would like to associate with the phase you are literally in. I think it's pink for me. I don't know why. So this is a pre-birthday vlog, as I said earlier. So you are not going to see the birthday day itself. For that you have to see another vlog which will come up very soon. मेरे बर्थडे के लिए 2 व्लॉग तक बनते हैं यार, बनते हैं. दूसरे व्लॉग में मैं बर्थडे व्लॉग करूंगी, पूरा बर्थडे, लाइक बर्थडे पार्टीज एंड व्हाट आई गॉट फॉर बर्थडे एंड एवरीथिंग. सो वो पूरे एक दूसरा व्लॉग होगा. दिस इज जस्ट द प्री बर्थडे व्लॉग, पूरी तैयारी एंड क्या. आई थिंक यू गाइस नो इट ऑलरेडी. आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग इट टू मच. आई थिंक इट्स वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड कि व्हाट्स प्री बर्थडे व्लॉग एंड व्हाट्स अ बर्थडे व्लॉग. या सो सेइंग ऑल ऑफ दैट, लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द व्लॉग. Hey guys, so it's 22nd of September, so exactly like 10 days to go for my birthday. I'm so happy. तो अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं dress from scratch बनाने. Yes, I love to say this. So I'll tell you, wait, I'll just get out of the house. So basically Pablo, गुस्सा हो गया. He's angry. Shit, we have to run. Okay guys, पावलो बहुत ही ज़्यादा दरवाजे को ऐसा पड़ रहा है. Anyways, so basically अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं ड्रेस फ्रॉम स्क्रैच बनाने. We are going to see if the person who we are like, you know, जिसको हम लोग पूछ रहे हैं बनाने को, if she can, if you know, if it is working out, फिर he will move forward with the dress from scratch का idea. And if not, I still have other options. It's not like the end of the world. Of course, I will go to mall and get a dress. Of course. अरे यार वो तो आ गया. Sorry. I will meet you in the car. Just got done with the first meeting for the dress and we actually just completely changed the design. जो डिजाइन मेरे मन में था उसके completely opposite नहीं बोलेंगे, but अलग ही डिजाइन हम लोग ने choose किया है. And now we have to go for the trials after a week or something. She only has like 10 days to make that dress, so that's of course very stressful, but all the best to her. And अब तक तो plan on है, but we aren't still sure if we will continue this dress from scratch का process or we'll just go and buy a dress. Okay, so abhi to plan on hai, but then anything can happen anytime. So yes, now we'll go home and now we'll sleep. Now we have like what 1 week or a decoration का भी my mom has checked with someone and आएगा या फिर हम खुद डेकोरेशन करेंगे. अभी भी कुछ फिक्स नहीं है. लेट्स सी. Menu, food menu is also, you know, we are deciding it. So yeah, everything is a mess right now. I hope everything will settle soon. Yeah, that was it for the update. And I know this was a very bad video because there's no light in. Also, I did not mention कि मैं मेरी बर्थडे की पार्टी 4 अक्टूबर को देने वाली हूँ और 2 अक्टूबर को नहीं देने वाली हूँ क्योंकि मेरे सारे फ्रेंड्स बहुत बिजी है और वो सब 4th को ही अवेलेबल है. हाँ, they couldn't manage to be free on the 2nd. Tell me, are you excited for my birthday?
Yes, I am very much excited.
Yes.
माझा फर्स्ट बर्थडे जिच्यासोबत जो मी असं ग्रँड सेलिब्रेट करणं हिच्या बर्थडेला मी काहीतरी ग्रँड बॉम्ब फोडणार.
Here, said it on camera. Now you have to. आज मेरा स्टोरेज अचानक से फुल हो गया and it is scaring me क्योंकि भाई मुझे YouTube कर रहा है मेरा स्टोरेज ऐसे फुल होके थोड़ी ना चलेगा. Anyways, I just managed it now. I hope अभी बीच में वीडियो ना बंद होए. So yes, today is 24th of September. 1 week exactly to go for my birthday. And I have many things sorted as of now, but there are many things that are still a mess. The idea of making it from scratch, and I'm so happy and I'm so excited about that because I feel that's going to be the highlight of the entire birthday. Like yeah, इधर एक बुक है जिसमें मैंने लिखा है कि मुझे ना क्या क्या. So okay, so there are 7 people coming at my home. There are 6 people coming at my home. They all are my close friends, school friends, and हम घर पे ही पार्टी रख रहे हैं. So this अब मुझे कैमरा ओके ठीक है. ये जो बैकड्रॉप है इधर ही हम लोग डेकोरेशन करेंगे. डेकोरेशन कैसे होगा वो तो शायद मैं उसी दिन बताऊँ या उसके पहले दिन बता दूँ, बट येस. सो इधर डेकोरेशन होगा. डेकोरेशन का अभी फिक्स नहीं है क्योंकि इट्स नॉट फिक्स्ड इफ वी आर गोइंग टू कॉल अ डेकोरेटर और इफ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट बाय ourselves. Okay, I am really okay by doing it myself. I think I can manage, but I also feel कि decorator होगा तो बहुत professional होगा and you know it would be more nice. We'll decide that later. Second thing कि हम birthday पे जब लोग आएंगे, so I wanted to keep 2 to 3, not a lot, but 2 to 3 activities. Not like I don't want that games. ऐसा नहीं कि bust the balloon and truth and dare ऐसे games नहीं, ऐसे childish games नहीं रखने थे मुझे. But I wanted to keep something such as like a memory jar. Okay, so where they would write something, a memory they can recall related to me in which I'm involved in anything. So I wanted to do that one thing. Second, I have a very cool idea which is design your glasses, which I found very cool. So I'm going to get like 6 to 7 glasses, like plain black white glasses, and I'm going to get like decoration material so they can just decorate it and then we'll just wear it and we'll click photos. I feel it's very fun. I feel it's a very good idea. So we are going to do that. So these two are things that are planned already. Dress का बोला मैंने. हाँ okay. Must have seen the Pinterest board जिसमें बहुत सारे dress options थे, but उसमें से नहीं है कोई भी. So उसमें से कोई भी उससे similar है, but वैसा नहीं है. I think I said it all right. So yeah, I think that was it for the update. I just forgot completely. Happy Navaratri to all of you. I'm not following the color scheme. Oh, I did. I wore a blue color का कुर्ती today, but अभी मैं वीडियो के लिए मैंने बस ये green hoodie डाल दी. But yes, happy Navaratri. We'll meet you tomorrow or day after tomorrow और उसके बाद जब भी birthday से related कुछ होगा I'll vlog it. Bye bye.
Next day.
I just received 2 parcels from Amazon जो मैंने मंगाए थे बर्थडे के लिए. वेट, मैंने 6 ग्लासेस मंगाए. यस इसमें 2 है, इसमें नहीं, इसमें 3 है. Oh wow, I love him. And we are going to decorate it basically. And yeah, that's going to be like a fun activity. We have like 3 black plates, but इसकी quality इतनी गंदी है. Oh my god, they can literally break. They're very bad quality, but it's fine. I mean, we just have to, it's just for the fun, so I really don't mind about the quality. Ooh, I really want to see the white one. Yeah, I like it. Oh my god, see? Basically, ये सारे glasses मैं रखूँगी एक टेबल पे, and I'm going to get some decoration material, and everybody can just customize their glasses, and they can wear it, and then, you know, we can just click photos. It's very fun, chill activity. And then I got this, yes, this pink ribbon. I also got a white ribbon. So pink और white ribbon मुझे चाहिए थी क्योंकि the theme, I just didn't tell you this. The theme is going to be pink and white. Everybody is going to wear white, and I'm going to wear pink. Oh, I just revealed my dress color, but yes, it's fine. So yeah, and ये ribbon और वो white ribbon मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए लगने वाली है. So yes, that's it. From the mall, and we just got, wait a second, we are back, and I got one nice pair of dress, whatever, yeah. So अभी हम लोग आ रहे हैं, we are going for गरबा, और मैं एक्सट्रीम रेडी हूँ, मतलब मुझे सिर्फ 15 मिनट में रेडी होना है, तो इसलिए मैं अब लिफ्ट में ही बता रही हूँ. तो yes, I got one very cute skirt and top from H&M, and I'll show it to you in the birthday vlog, of course. ये पूरा this is really funny because ये पूरा जो vlog है वो मेरे birthday vlog को hype up कर देगा. मतलब इधर मैं कुछ दिखा नहीं रही हूँ, सब birthday vlog में देखेंगे आप. But whatever. So 8 o'clock से अभी 8:30 हो रहे हैं, तो 8:30 को I'll go. अभी मतलब 8:45 तक गरबा खेलने जाऊँगी, and then 11 o'clock तक तो मैं उधर ही हूँ. फिर birthday इसलिए मैं आ जाऊँगी आज जल्दी. And yes, and then you'll see everything in the birthday vlog. So I'm just ending this vlog here. I hope you liked it. Like, share, subscribe. I'm doing what I love, and I hope you will love watching it as well. So bye bye.